Good morning, girls. In this class, we are going to see the data mining unit 1. Today, we are going to discuss about classification of data mining. So, what do you mean by classification? Is nothing but it is a division. So, before in the last class, we have seen the data mining's various approaches. Once again, we have to recall what are all the approaches and additional approaches that can be integrated to the data mining. So first approaches are neural networks, fuzzy or rough set theory, knowledge representation, inductive logic programming or high performance computing. These are the main approaches of data mining, and also data mining integrated to the spatial data analysis, information retrieval, pattern recognition, image analysis, signal processing, computer networks, web technology, business, economics, bioinformatics, or psychology. So, finally, we can summarize data mining is an approach which is used in all the disciplines. Okay. Next is this multiple disciplines can be architectured diagram, or otherwise it is an architecture diagram of multiple disciplines using data mining methodology. This is shown in the figure. And next is classification of data mining system. So this classification can be divided into 4 categories. So how we can classify the data mining? This can be done in 4 ways. So the first one is classification according to the kinds of database mines, and second one is classification according to the kinds of knowledge mine, and third one is classification according to the kinds of techniques utilized, and the fourth one is classification according to the applications adapted. Next we are going to see one by one in detail. The first one is classification according to the kinds of databases mined. So this classification done by using the following data models. So what are all the data models means that we had already studied in second BSc computer science, RDBMS. So relational databases, transactional databases, object oriented databases, object relational databases, data warehouses. So classification can be done by kinds of databases mine means these are all the content included in the data models. And the next classification according to the kinds of knowledge mined. So what are all the knowledge mined in the data mining means we have to discussed in the later chapters, that is based on the data mining functionalities. So what are all the functionalities? First one is characterization, discrimination, association, classification, clustering, outlier analysis, and evolution analysis. These are all the functionalities of data mining. We have to focus in the next classes. Okay. So and also the based on the granularity or levels of abstraction means knowledge mind is also coming under the based on the granularity or levels of abstraction. So these levels of abstraction can be divided into 3 categories. One is generalized level, primitive level, multiple level. Next slide is classification according to the kinds of techniques utilized. What are all the techniques we have to focus in the data mining means, that is described degree of user interaction involved. So what are all the techniques we have to done by the user interaction means autonomous systems, interactive exploratory systems, query driven systems, or otherwise the method of data analysis employed. The best example is database oriented, data warehouse oriented techniques, machine learning, statistic, visualization, pattern recognition, neural networks, and so on. These are all the techniques we have to focus in the data mining kinds of classification according to the kinds of technique utilized. And the fourth, the final classification can be done by using the application adapted. So what are all the applications is used to classify the data mining means finance, telecommunication, DNA, stock markets, email, and so on. Thank you, girls.